Welcome to this beginner's guide to chess. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of the game, from how the pieces move to some key strategies to help you win. Part 1, the basics. First, let's start with the pieces. There are 6 different types of pieces in chess: the king, queen, rook, bishop, knight, and pawn. Each piece has a unique way of moving across the board. The king is the most important piece, and the object of the game is to checkmate the opposing king, which means to put the king in a position where it is under attack and cannot move to a safe square. The queen is the most powerful piece on the board and can move in any direction along a rank, file, or diagonal. The rooks move along ranks or files, and can make a special move called castling with the king. The bishops move along diagonals, and are limited to one color of square for the entire game. The knights move in an L-shaped pattern and can jump over other pieces. Finally, the pawns move forward 1 or 2 squares on their first move, and 1 square thereafter, but can only capture other pieces diagonally. Part 2, the gameplay. Now that we know how the pieces move, let's talk about how the game is played. Each player starts with 16 pieces, and the board is set up so that the pieces are arranged in a specific way. Players take turns moving their pieces, with white always going first. The ultimate goal is to checkmate the opponent's king, but there are also other ways to win or draw the game. One common strategy is to control the center of the board, as this gives you more space to maneuver your pieces and attack your opponent. It's also important to protect your own pieces, especially your king. Another key strategy is to think ahead and anticipate your opponent's moves. By analyzing the board and considering different scenarios, you can make better decisions and avoid mistakes. Part 3, conclusion. So there you have it, a brief introduction to the wonderful game of chess. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, there's always something new to learn and discover in this timeless game. So grab a board and some pieces, and start playing.